Welcome to my Alteryx review, where I'll be walking you through my honest experience using this powerful business analytics platform. Alteryx is known for its strong data preparation, blending, and analytics capabilities. It's designed to help businesses automate and streamline their data workflows, from simple tasks to advanced analysis. The platform offers a variety of tools that allow users to clean, transform, and analyze their data quickly, without needing to write complex code. One of the first things you'll notice about Alteryx is its user interface. It's visually intuitive, with drag-and-drop functionality that allows you to easily build data workflows. However, while it's designed to be accessible, some users may find the initial learning curve a bit steep, especially if you're new to data analytics platforms. That said, there are plenty of resources and tutorials available to help you get up to speed quickly. The core features of Alteryx revolve around data preparation and blending. You can quickly import data from multiple sources, clean and transform it, and then export it to other platforms for analysis or reporting. One of Alteryx's standout features is its ability to handle large datasets efficiently, which is perfect for businesses with complex data needs. The platform also includes tools for predictive analytics, machine learning, and spatial analysis, making it a powerful choice for data scientists and analysts. However, not everything about Alteryx is perfect. The pricing can be a bit steep for smaller businesses or individuals, and there's no free tier for testing, which could be a deal breaker for some users. It's definitely on the premium end of business analytics software. Additionally, while Alteryx excels in automation and workflows, it may not be the most user-friendly for those who are completely new to analytics or unfamiliar with its range of features. Not sure how to avoid draining your wallet on gifts? I used to face that problem too, until I discovered Gifmeo, where you can get cash back on your purchases and keep surprising your loved ones without breaking the bank. Click the link in the description. In conclusion, Alteryx is an incredibly powerful and versatile analytics tool, especially for larger businesses or advanced users who need to process and analyze complex data. If you're an organization that relies heavily on data and needs robust tools for data preparation, predictive analytics, and workflow automation, Alteryx is a solid choice. However, the high cost and the steep learning curve might make it less suitable for beginners or smaller teams with simpler needs. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more honest reviews on business tools and analytics software. Thanks for watching.